Incorporated Scholastic Reading Center and join us as we have our Read Aloud session.
Let's go!
The book that I will read to you is about this one.
Teamwork.
Wow! What is it about?
Teamwork.
Teamwork. What can you observe with the cover of the book?
It's with the happy.
A happy book because of their faces. What are they feeling? They are
Happy.
happy. Okay. What else? What can you observe with the photo? What are they doing or what are they holding?
They're holding hands.
Holding their hands. What else? What's this?
Paper. Book.
Okay, it's a
Paper.
Okay, it's a book. Okay, so today we will read the story of or about teamwork. This is written by Julie Claire and illustrated or drawn by Bao Lu. Are you ready? Show me a thumbs up if you are. Okay. Let's read the story. Teamwork. Ava and Luke are a team. This is Ava and this is Luke. Miss Fox says, look at the things on the table. What can you make with these things? Who do you think Miss Fox is?
The teacher.
Okay, the teacher. So the teacher asks, what can you make with these things? Let's see. Ava asks, what can I make with cup? What can we make with a
Cupboard.
box? Okay, maybe a cupboard. What else? Box. Okay.
Paper.
Let's see. Ava and Luke read about things to make. So they look for a book to have an idea what can they make with a cup or with a box. Ava and Luke think about things to make. If you are with Ava and Luke, you have a cup and you have a box. What do you think can you make with a cup and a box? I'll ask you one by one. I'll give you thinking time first. 10 counts. After 10, I will ask you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's have Pablo first. If you're gonna help Ava and Luke, what will you make with a cup in a box? You're gonna make
Paper house.
paper house. How about you, Chamara?
We're gonna make rockets.
Rockets. How about Pipip?
Wait, what?
We're gonna guess and help them if you're in the story.
Flower.
Flower. How about Johan? A bus. Okay, let's see what they really did. What are Ava and Luke doing? What do you think are they doing?
They're making crafting.
Okay, they are already crafting. They're holding a
Box and pencil. And a
Pencil.
box and scissors.
scissor. And then what's this? This
A
one.
ruler.
Ruler. What is Luke doing?
Making something.
Okay, making something is drawing already in the box. How about Ava? What is he cutting? Is she cutting?
Paper.
A paper. Okay, do you have any idea?
Yes.
What will they make?
They'll make some like a house. They will make flower.
Flower. Okay, let's see if you're correct. What are Ava and Luke painting?
The flower.
Is it the flower? Does it look like a flower?
No.
It's a paper. Yeah, they are painting on the paper. What do you think are they making already with the paint? Using the paint.
They're just painting in the paper.
Okay. What can you imagine? What would be the outcome? You don't have idea?
I have idea.
Oh yes. What is it?
House.
Let's see. Ava puts the paper on the big box. Luke puts a little box on the top of the big box. What do you think are Ava and Luke making now?
A robot.
How about you, Johan? How about you, Pipip?
Robot.
Robot? What do you think? Robot, no. Robot also. Why? Why can you say it's a robot?
Because it looks like a robot. Because it's got some body and button. Yeah, button.
Why? I think it's a microwave.
No.
Why do you say it's a robot?
Because it looks like it. Because it's got the square head.
That's weird.
And also the body. The body has button.
Where's the body? Where do you think is the body? That one. Okay. Let's see the final outcome. Ta-da! What is it? It's a
Robot.
Okay, it's a robot. This is our robot. Says, look. So, you're correct. They have made a robot. Is it a big robot or small robot?
Big robot.
Big robot. Okay. Can you find where is the cup?
The cup is right here.
How many cups did they use?
2.
Where is it? Count it for me.
1, 2.
Okay, how many boxes did they use?
1, 2.
Uh-huh. Okay, count. Where are the 2 boxes?
1, 2.
1 and 2. Okay, what are the things that they made before they have made a robot? What did they use? So that they can-
Cardboard tube and cut
And?
and the boxes.
How about the color? How did they get the color?
We have the space.
From the paint. Okay, so that is the end of our story. Let's go back to the title. What's the title of our story?
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Did they show teamwork in the story?
Yes.
Why do you say so, or how do you say
Because
so?
they're not hearing and looking to the instruction in the book.
Okay, they're looking together in the instructions in the book. What else? What did they do to show teamwork?
They make a robot.
Okay, let me have one by one first. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, yes, Pipit first.
They made a robot.
Okay, they have made a product or a robot. What else?
They make a robot.
Okay, they make a robot. What else? How about doing this one? Doing the painting and doing the drawing. What? Very good. They help one another. Okay, so that shows teamwork. Do you help your classmates also?
Yes.
Do you do teamwork also?
Yes.
How?
By helping them.
How do you help them?
We got to help them by making something together.
Why do you think teamwork is important?
Because we can make it to have so much fun.
Okay, because we can make our thing so much fun. What else?
Because Shamar and me are making teamwork.
Okay, why is teamwork important? Teacher, I can just do these things on my own. I can make a robot on my own. Is it possible? To
No!
make a big robot on your own?
No! It's because you will be tired.
You will be tired. So what do you need?
A friend that will help you.
Okay, a friend that will help you. And that is what you call?
Teamwork!
Okay, so when we say teamwork, it's helping and collaborating with one another. That's why we know that Faithians help each other, right? Right? Okay, Faithians help their classmates, right? Faithians help their teachers also, right? Pipi, Faithians help their teachers, right?
Yes.
Faithians help their family.
Yes.
Faithians help their siblings.
Yes.
Yes, Faithians help everyone. Okay, can we say teamwork? Let's do this. Okay, and then we will say teamwork. Okay,
Teamwork.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.